going to put it to the ground here on this side. Take that block from there, so that I get a little bit of an idea of the volume that I'm working with. And then here I'll see, now it seems to be standing a bit more proud. Keeping the table clean. And then I can introduce maybe some graphics. One second, let me first make it a little bit more clear with the 3. This is like more chromatic type of shading. Then if you do it a little bit harsher, if you do it more subtle, it's more silver. But now I can use that 0 blender again, and then go over this, make it soften. Just a little bit. And blend it out a little bit so you see a little bit more sculpture there. And I can take that number 2 again.